Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you delete an item from your Vinted catalog. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Vinted on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your profile. From the home page in the top right corner, click on your profile picture and then click on personalization. You'll choose the category of your item, so which item do you want. Then scroll down until you find an item that you're selling and click on your active item. To delete your listing, you'll click on here to delete, or if it has been sold, you can mark it as sold and just complete with that. However, click on delete. If you're sure, click on confirm and delete. And that would be the end of your listing, so it will no longer be on the page and you'll have to relist it if you want to continue. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.